Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper cup. For this activity, you will need the following materials. This worksheet, okay? You need to print 2 of them. You will need 2. And a pair of scissors. Are you ready? Let's get the ball rolling. The first thing that we are going to do is to cut out the squares. We are going to cut along the dashed lines, and you will have 2 squares. Can you see? 1 and 2. Okay, so now I have 2 squares. I need 2 more. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 squares. Okay, we are going to start to make the first paper cup. The first thing that you need to do is to fold the paper in half to create a triangle. So as you can see, we have some letters here. Okay, and we are going to start with letter A. So what I want you to do is to bring one corner of the paper, this one, up. We are going to bring the corner of the paper over the opposite diagonal corner, okay? Make sure that all of the corners and edges line up. Press down on the paper to create a fold. I want you to face the base of the triangle towards you. We're going to bring the base of the corner AB to letter B on the opposite edge. Then you're going to fold the other base corner AC up to the opposite edge, letter C. Okay, AC. All right. The paper is shaped like a pentagon. Can you see it? Okay, a pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The top of our pentagon shape has 2 triangles. Look, has 2. 1 and 2. Okay, so we are going to bend each triangle outward and towards the base of the pentagon. And push down on each fold to create a crease. This creates an opening for the cup. Look. So we are going to open the cup. Gently squeeze the sides of the cup so that the paper at the top of the cup spreads apart. Now you're going to place your fingers inside the cup and gently push the paper outwards from the center. Push, 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 push. Once the base of the cup is flat, you are going to push the 2 small pointed corners against the base. Push, push against the base. Okay. All right. And now our cup is ready. In order to have your 4 cups, you will need to repeat the procedure 3 times. All right. So I have my 4 cups here. See you later.